In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make YouTube automation videos using InVideo iStock media. This is the part 3 of my InVideo AI video maker series. So I have my first 2 videos here and I know you will be interested. The first video, I explain everything you need to know about the InVideo AI pricing plans, and my second video is about using the free plan to generate AI videos, and these 2 videos will answer some of the questions you might have. I will drop the link in the description box, and that is my affiliate link. Do click on it and sign up. This will be your dashboard, but make sure you will check the V3 version. This is the prompting box. Also, you can use the flow, all right, to help you create your videos fast. I'll use the prompt box in this tutorial. So I'll say create a video about the best places to visit, and alright, create a video for 45 seconds about the best places to visit in Italy. Now I use 45 seconds because sometimes it might go a little more or less. I don't mind if it's 1 minute video or 40 seconds video, that's fine. This is just for tutorial. Alright, so click on add a caption, just something simple. Click on generate a video. Alright, so it's analyzing my prompt. Alright, so one thing I need to talk to you about, it paused after analyzing a post for about 7 to 10 seconds. So don't click off or freak out. Just be patient until you see this page. So it has checked the 45 seconds. I'll keep it like that, but for some reason, if you prefer 30 seconds, you can click on it, or 1 minute, you can change it, and that is for the duration. All right, so next is the stock media, but if for some reason you don't want to use the stock media anymore, but you want to switch it to generative media, that's fine. You can click on it, you can select it, but remember you have only 60 seconds, so don't misuse it. All right, so with the audiences, it's selected travel enthusiasts, but if you don't want it, you can go for culture lovers, adventure seekers. Platform, I'll choose YouTube. I don't want YouTube short because I want regular YouTube video. If you want to edit your prompt, you can click it to go back, but that's all right. But I don't want to do that, so continue. So it's gonna take some few minutes or seconds to analyze everything. Now, if you are in a hurry or you have to do something, you can check notify when ready. Then you can leave it, but you need to have your phone with you just so it can notify you. All right. So I'll be back. Alright, so the video is done. Sometimes when it's loading for preview, it freezes, alright? It just happens when it's trying to load for preview for like 1 minute and it's not showing like this. Just click up here and reload it, alright? Or right click and click on reload page, like reload, alright? Just so you know. Watch it. Let me zoom it.
What's something people don't know about Italy? It's more magical than your dreams. Let's explore its hidden gems together. From the romantic canals of Venice to the ancient ruins of Rome, Italy is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. Picture yourself wandering through the colorful villages of Cinque Terre, savoring the finest gelato in Florence.
Alright, so something I want to bring to your attention. It has mixed iStock with story blocks. I think it's a smart move just so you will not lose the iStock media limit. But don't worry if you don't want, let's say this image, if I don't want it, I can edit it after, but just so you know. But keep checking top left, you'll see it's gonna change from iStock, story blocks, or Shutterstock because it's using the right images or videos for you.
And soaking in the breathtaking views of the Amalfi Coast. And don't forget the culinary delights of Bologna and the rich history of Milan.
Alright, so I'm gonna pause it right here and I'll come back. When I download this video, it's gonna download in HD, so it's gonna be better in view than what you see now. Alright, the music is a bit loud.
Whether you're a history buff,
I don't like it. I'll change the background music. Okay, so I'll say change the background music to a calm lo-fi music. Alright, and I'll generate again. Yeah, so the same process. If you don't like the voice, you can change the voice by just typing whatever you want, and hopefully this will not take long. Alright, it's done. Let me close this and see. Okay,
people don't know about Italy. It's more magical than your dreams. Let's explore its hidden gems together. From the romantic canals of Venice to the ancient ruins of Rome, Italy is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered.
So I'll download it just so we can move on. Then after, I'll dive into pricing. The download settings, since I'm on the paid plan, it has checked no watermarks, which is good. InVideo AI branding, none, and this will download in 1080p. All right, so continue. And remember, it says video AI is a creative tool. You are responsible for the content of the video. Okay. Oh yeah, this is very, very important. This export will use 10 iStock licenses. And remember, I have 80 for the month. You have 80 stocks licenses quote left, which resets in 1 month. I don't know why it looks like it will not deduct until I complete the download. Yeah, because it says will use 10. All right, so if right now if I close it, it will not deduct from the 80 iStock per licenses per month. So I'll click continue, and I know for sure I'll be left with 70. All right, so it's rendering, and this shouldn't take long, and after we'll watch it. So it's done rendering. So rendering is done. I can watch it from here, but I'll download it just to show it. Yeah, so I'm downloading it just so you know for sure. Okay, downloading is done. Click on it. So let's watch it.
What's something people don't know about Italy? It's more magical than
So
your
you
dreams.
see, right now it's crystal clear. It's so beautiful, so clean. That's the difference between using the iStock media versus the free version, which is, so let's continue.
Let's explore its hidden gems
Beautiful.
together. From the romantic canals of Venice to the ancient ruins of Rome, Italy is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. Picture yourself wandering through the colorful
See how beautiful it is? I don't want to show everything, all right? Because maybe I might post this video somewhere. So I'll pause it. Next, so I'm gonna finalize it with pricing. So just like I was saying, if you are on the free version, you're gonna have 10 AI minutes video a week, but you have no generative credits. I'm on the plus plan, and I have 50 AI minutes with 80 iStock media to use, but I have 60 seconds generative credits for the month, and it renews. So if I generate 30 seconds video with this, then I will have 30 seconds left, but that is different from the 50 AI minutes and the 80 iStock media. All right, on top of that, I have 2 voice clones and 100 GB storage, and this is good because remember, this will be video, and video takes a lot of storage. One user with unlimited exports. All right, so but if you know you'll be creating a lot of videos, go with the max or the generative plan. Okay, the max plan will give you 200 AI minutes with 120 generative credits. All right, so if you are interested in generative credits, go with the generative plan. But if you want like iStock quality videos like I showed you, then go with the max plan, because the 50 you can create a lot of videos, but if your focus is YouTube, if your focus is on YouTube, go with this for iStock videos. But if you want generative videos, like I said, go with generative plan. All right, so this is the end of the tutorial. Please don't forget to use the link below.